Hey guys, it's DuVäl. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are in the car right now on our way back to our Elm Street project. And so the house is going up for inspection, so they're almost done with it. So since we last saw you guys, there have been a lot of changes. So I want to take you back into the house, see a few things, see how all of our finishes are coming together, and then we'll take a look at our design proposals before and kind of how we got there. But I think it's very good to see this at this point. We have a few more things to do with the client. We need to make some more decisions about furniture, how the layout's gonna look. We'll work out all of those details at some point later. But for now, let's just go take a look at the house, see how we're doing, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, we're back at our Elm Street project, and so the house is about to go for inspection. So I wanted to bring you guys back into the house one more time so we can take a look at some of the finishes that are now being exposed, like our hardwood wide plank wood floors. Now we can see our hearth a little better, our custom mantle that we designed. You will be able to see that we have reintroduced the quartz that we put on the surround into the kitchen in here just a second. Now the beams and the copper ceiling is exposed. We can see that the paint job is really clean, and we're super excited about that. As you can also see as we pan you guys around to seeing our hallway, the arches are finalized, the lighting is in. Now we're exposing our diamond floor entryway, which I've been so excited about showing you guys. But of course, we still have our painter in here taking care of a few final things. That's gonna be done, I think, by today, maybe this week. So I'm super excited about that. With that being said, the one final thing I wanted to show you guys was our kitchen, because as you can see, the countertop is now in, our backsplash countertop is in. We finally got our hood, which took forever to get.
Oh my God! Wow!
We're super excited about that. At this point, I think we're still just kind of working out some details about where the furniture is going. The clients are soon moving into the house. And so I'm not exactly sure what I'll be able to bring you guys in on, but I did want to take this final opportunity again before the house is closed to just kind of show you guys where we are. So, what do you think? From what you've been able to see, what are your thoughts about it? How do you feel about the house so far? Of course, I want you guys to stay tuned to our social media, because we'll post our final photos, our final images of the detailed shots and all the things that are finalized. Oh yeah, I'm not sure if you noticed this, but our panels for the fridge and our panels for the dishwasher is not on yet, and our hardware is still, we're still waiting to get that in. So a few final small touches that we're gonna fix. All right, guys, I think that wraps up this house for now. So stay tuned to our Instagram, our YouTube videos. I want you guys to sound off below to let me know. What do you think? How is the house looking? Are you excited to see some other parts that we may be able to show you? So until then, guys, I guess that's it. See you in the next video.